Very good afternoon to all my lovely boys and girls. So people, finally we are back to JEE main preparation. After your term 1 exams, I hope all of you have done your maths and physics really well and you're all getting ready for your chemistry term 1. So I thought I'll help you with the JEE main preparation part of this phase. So welcome. Hello Aisha, nice to see you. Very good afternoon. Hi Vijaya, nice to see you here. So people, today we are going to look at the top 5 questions from complex numbers which can help you with your JEE 2022 preparation. Okay. Hello Ashwin, nice to see you. Abhi Santosh, Vanakkam man. I am so glad to meet all of you here. Anantu, welcome. Vijaya is here right on time. Saturday. So you guys don't have school, is it? All of you are sharp at 2:30, you are here. Not bad. Had lunch? Yes, I had a very delicious lunch. I just finished it a while back. Hello Yash, welcome man. Amin Fahim, welcome. So people, let's get started. So you're gonna learn complex number with Shimon sir. For those who are new to this channel, let me quickly run through my introduction. My name is Shimon Joseph. I teach mathematics for the 11th and 12th standard students who are preparing for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. So if you guys are looking to ace these exams, then you are at the right place because we have 3 fantastic teachers who will guide you in a very fun and smart manner. Okay? Yes, you're always on time to say hi. I know that. But this is from 11th standard. Maybe you can try solving it. Hi Nanta Kumar, welcome man. After a long time you're joining live, is it? Hi Tamil, Aisha, Gun. Jai Hind man, welcome. Bhavya, welcome Bhavya, nice to meet you. So people, shall we get started? Are you all ready? Perfect. So you are currently watching We Enthuse, the English JEE channel of Vedantu. So if you guys are new to this channel, let me give you a brief idea of what we do. So Vedantu is an online live tutoring platform where we train students to become toppers in exams like JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, KVPY, NEET and so on. So if you are preparing for any such exam, then you can definitely take the help of our regular courses. The links are given below in the description. And of course, we do teach in YouTube for free as well. So if you are interested, if you feel this content is helping you, then definitely subscribe to the channel, share it to your friends because that would help us in our cause. That is to reach everybody in the country, whether it is a town or a village. We want to help India grow together and elevate the level of education. That's primary goal of Vedantu. So do show your love. Hit the like button if you guys enjoy. Let your teachers know because that is a huge motivation for us. And if you want to message me, if you want to get to know me personally, you can definitely follow me on Instagram. I will definitely respond in just 2-3 days at max. Okay. Guys, Instagram, if you message, please wait for 2-3 days. Don't get annoyed if I don't reply the same day because a lot of students message. Sometimes I miss a few of them. Okay. Hello, Golu, welcome. Shreyas, after a long time. Sir, Tattva or Enthuse? Chaitanya, Enthuse we teach. Tattva is an assignment. Both are different, okay? Very good. Jeremiah, welcome Jeremiah. I'm glad to see you on time. So people, let's get started. This is going to be a very short and sweet session. Only 5 questions. Are you all ready? Just 5 questions. We will nail these 5 and then we will meet again at 4 o'clock. Okay? Just 5 questions. Let's all go through them very quickly. Grab these concepts and work on them in your self-study time. Okay? So shall we begin guys? Come on, give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo. Can 2023 students see this session? Ansh, of course man. Complex number is 2023 syllabus. Complex number is from 11th standard. If you are in 11th, you should be already aware of this. So please try to solve it. Golu, that's awesome. You got KGP mech, is it? That's crazy good. I'm so happy for you and thank you so much for saying that. It means a lot. Yes. So here we go. The very first question is right on your screen. Please try to solve it. It's a laddu question, but it requires a little bit of thinking, a little bit of log knowledge and a little bit of inequalities. So I love how 3-4 concepts are intermixed in this particular question. That's why I'm giving this to you. Okay, you have complex numbers, you have log properties, you have increasing, decreasing function, inequalities, all of them mixed together. So please try to solve it. My specs look like Dr. Film Shiva. Oh, is it? I didn't know, man. I didn't notice Shiva Karthikeyan that much. But yeah, it was a good movie. I like the jokes in Doctor. Yogi Babu was on fire. Where can I get Tattva material? So Kumar, you have to join the pro subscription or you have to join the crash course. If you are in 12th standard, you can join the crash course. You will get Tattva material as assignments. Or if you are in 11th standard, then what you can do is you can check out the pro subscription, which is nothing but the regular classes in Vedantu. Okay, it is around 1,500 per month if you are trying it for 1 month. Okay, the link is just given below. I look like Virat Kohli. Okay, that is a compliment. That I'll take it. Somebody told Rohit Sharma. That was a bit hurtful, but it's okay. Rohit Sharma is also a good player, so I still feel happy. I am also from Tamil Nadu. RK, nice to meet you, man. Fahim and Aisha, welcome Fahim. Nice to see you here. Calm Killer, nice to have you here. Welcome. Welcome to our channel. Great, great, great. Yes, Golu, I would love to meet you after 4 years. Let's see. Hopefully you get a job in Bangalore. Yes, it's highly likely. Whatever branch of engineering you do, you might end up with an IT job in Bangalore. So most probably we might meet. Let's move to the sums. Yes, Calm Killer. I am already in the sum only, man. You try to solve. No, I'm giving you 1 or 2 minutes. In those 1 or 2 minutes only, I'm talking to students. So first do that and then I will solve it. Okay, don't just wait for me to solve. It is for you to try. I need to revise complex numbers. After a long time, I heard that name. Venisha. Very good, Venisha. You have exam in 2 months and you're saying after a long time you're hearing the name. Is it? Next level only. So guys, the first thing which I want to teach you is whenever you have log to the base some number less than 1. Okay, so let's say log to the base a, you have let's say 5, or let's say you have some b, let's say. Okay, and here you have log to the base a and you have c. Okay, let's say this is greater. Now if a is between 0 and 1, okay, if a is between 0 and 1, it's a fraction. Got it? Whenever a, the base, is a fraction, if I remove log a on both sides, you will have b and c left out. What will happen to the sign of the inequality? The sign of the inequality will reverse. Isn't that right? The sign of the inequality will reverse. That is something very, very important. I hope you guys have understood it. Did you all like it? Very good, Venkat Yadav. Welcome. Nice to see you. Venkat, you are absolutely right. Good job. Hello, Siranjeevi. Hi, Aishwarya. Long time no see. Very good, very good. Aisha is correct. So people, B is less than C. So here 1 by 3 is also a fraction, right? 1 by 3 is also between 0 and 1. So whenever you have the base between 0 and 1, if I remove log, what will happen to the sign of the inequality? The sign of the inequality will reverse. Are you all clear? Now it's a complex number question. Okay, so previously we had log, which was difficult to solve. Now I got rid of log. I made it less complex, but still it is a bit interesting. From here on also it is a bit interesting. Let's see how to solve it. Now what do I have? I have modulus of z plus 1 is less than modulus of z minus 1. What do you mean by modulus of z minus 1? Modulus of z minus 1 means the distance of z from 1, 0. And modulus of z plus 1 means the distance of z from minus 1, 0. That means the distance of z from 1 should be greater than the distance of z from minus 1. Is that right? Are you guys able to understand that? The distance of z from 1 should be greater than the distance of z from minus 1. That is what this means. Very good. Are you all able to understand? Please let me know, guys. Palash, welcome Palash. Nice to see you here. Nantakumar, I'll come to that in a short while. Yes, you're almost there. Did you all like it? So first what I will do, people, is I will try to equate this and understand. So whenever I say modulus of z plus 1 is equal to modulus of z minus 1, what do I mean? The distance from 1 and minus 1 is going to be equal. The distance of z from 1 and minus 1 is equal. Whenever the distance from two numbers, 2 points are equal, it is the perpendicular bisector. So this is the line corresponding to mod z plus 1 is equal to mod z minus 1. But do we want equality? No. We want distance from z minus 1 to be greater. So that means it is entire this region which is going to be my answer. Every point on this region is going to satisfy my inequality, because you take any point to the left side of y-axis, the imaginary axis, then it will always be at a greater distance from 1 than minus 1. Did you all like it? So that is why the answer is option B. Because what is this region? This region is x is less than 0. So x negative. That means the real part is negative. So that is why the answer is option B. Did you all like the reasoning? Guys, the reasoning is very, very important. Are you all happy with it? Hello, Amrit. Welcome. Z should be negative. No, not Z. The real part of Z should be negative. Okay. Amrit, it is not D. It is option B. Bombay. Is there a chemistry session today? Vanita, yes. Wazim sir will take the class at 8 o'clock. So please make sure you are there. He will definitely guide you for your CBSE exam. Okay. So shall we move forward? Hello Rajaram. Very good afternoon, man. Welcome. Nice to see you here. So people, let's go to the second question. The first one is done. I hope you liked it. Guys, if you did not follow anything, then please go revisit this video, understand the concept. Okay, it might seem like a very laddu question when I solve it, but when you guys are able to do it on your own, only then you should be convinced. Okay, so try to do this question again after the class is over. Very important. Okay, great. So people, with that, let's go to the second one over here. Please try to solve this. This is from rotational formula, rotation theorem in complex number. It's a slightly advanced topic. Let's see if you guys can handle it. Okay, will you do questions for VIEEE? Joseph, yes. We will do for VIEEE also, BITSAT also, JEE Mains. All these exams will help you. But like I said, I want you guys to aim for JEE Mains. Aim for JEE Mains so that VIT becomes easy, so that BITSAT becomes easy. Because JEE Mains is the standard exam, and VIT and BITSAT and SRM entrance exams are all, byproducts. So if you prepare for JEE Mains, everything else is taken care. Did you all like it? Fantastic. Very good, Ansh and Karan. Nice to meet you, man. Yes, no problem. All the very best. We will maybe catch up sometime in the future. Great. What about Tamil Nadu State Board 12th Public? Nantakumar, I think it's in next year only, right? Maybe in March or April. Don't worry, I will try to help you by that time. Don't worry. Great. Amrit, welcome Amrit. Nice to meet you. Calm killer, no problem, man. Everybody is welcome in our channel. We love all our students and we want to do our best to guide them. Okay. Guys, this is a slightly difficult exam. Okay, this is a slightly difficult question. I don't know how many of you have got it. Okay. Medula Venkat Yadav, very good man. You are rocking it today. You are awesome. That's absolutely right. And Deva, this is an English channel, man. I told you now, I am thinking of starting one more channel in Tamil. So in that I will teach in Tamil, but not here. Here it is an English channel. Let's maintain that because we have a lot of students from Kerala. We have a lot of students from Andhra, Telangana. So everybody is important. So here I'll give equal attention to all of you guys because everybody matters to me. Got it? But yeah, of course, if I start a separate channel, there I will probably talk in Tamil. Got it? Not here. So people, how do you solve this question? Let's try to have a look at it. So you have Z1, you have Z2, you have Z3. Okay. So what are they saying? They are saying that Z1 minus Z3 by Z2 minus Z3. So by rotation formula, what is that? Can you guys tell me? Z1 minus Z3 by Z2 minus Z3 is equal to what? Is equal to modulus of Z1 minus Z2, Z1 minus Z3 by modulus of Z2 minus Z3 into e to the power iota theta. What is the angle between them? The angle between them, can I write this as what? E to the power iota into, let's say, the anti-clockwise angle. So anti-clockwise angle will be this one, right? This is theta. So it is going to be e to the power iota theta. Are you guys happy with it? So theta should be anti-clockwise. This is how you write rotational theorem. This is how you write rotational theorem. Very important. Now let's compare with this. So guys, this is actually equal to this by rotation formula. But what have they given? They have given e to the power, this is how much? E to the power minus iota pi by 3. Okay, so the left hand side is nothing but e to the power minus iota pi by 3, and that is equal to, these two will get cancelled, nah? These two are getting cancelled because the real part is just 1. The modulus part is just 1. The modulus part is just 1, and then the argument part is minus pi by 3. I hope all of you are clear. So guys, what can we infer from here? I can say that Z1 minus Z3 is equal to Z2 minus Z3, and I can say that this included angle is pi by 3. So this angle is pi by 3. These two sides are equal. That means these two angles are also equal. So if this is pi by 3, then this also should be pi by 3, pi by 3. So it will be an equilateral triangle. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it? So guys, this is your rotational formula. I will tell you how it works. For those who are not interested, let me help you with it. Please listen carefully. So let us say you have a complex number Z2 and you have Z1, you have Z3. And let's say this angle is theta. So if theta is measured anti-clockwise, guys, this is very important. I'm teaching you something cool. It is going to be useful for higher level questions of JEE Mains and some questions in JEE Advanced. This is called as the rotational theorem or Coney's theorem. Got it? So you take theta in the anti-clockwise direction. Wherever your arrow points to, that vector you write first. So that vector is nothing but Z3 minus Z2 divided by, now the other base will be what? Z1 minus Z2. Now that will be equal to, you write both the modulus. So Z3 minus Z2, same thing you write again, but with modulus, into e to the power iota theta. This is what we call as rotational theorem. I hope you guys have understood it. So this is how you write rotation of complex number. So what am I doing? I'm basically rotating Z1, Z2 by an angle theta to get Z3, Z2, and the length can also change. That is why I have taken into consideration the modulus aspect as well. Okay? Did you guys like it? Are you all clear? Fantastic. Very good, Amrit. So people, that is your second question. I hope all of you are happy with it. Now moving on to the next one. This is again an interesting question. Please try to do it. Yes, Ab Basit, it is a rotation formula. Aishwarya, fantastic. Calm Killer, conic section. I will try to do it, man. It is a term 2 portion, right? So I am trying to do it probably in the next few months. Aisha, of course I won't. Of course I will continue to teach in Enthuse as well. Enthuse is the primary channel because I have a lot of students from various parts of the country here. Of course I will. Marks for ECE at NIT Trichy. So NIT Trichy, if you want electrical, then you need to score around 190, 200. Okay, you need to score around 190 to 200. Are you a badminton player? Yes, yes, yes. Joseph, I love badminton, man. I play it a lot. So I almost play every day for nearly 2 hours. But yeah, I'm not a professional player, but yeah, I play badminton a lot. Aisha, you're from Kerala, is it? That's awesome. Option A says Venkat. Venkat, you are again correct, man. You are on a roll. That's awesome. So people, how do you open it? You will get x into x is x square plus 1 is equal to 2 cos theta into x. Did you all get it till here? So I'm going to bring everything to one side. I'll have 2 cos theta into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So I'll have what? This as a quadratic. So if I want to find the roots are given as x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to cos theta plus or minus root of cos square theta minus 1. Are you all happy with it? Now people, cos square theta minus 1, can I write it as minus sin square theta? Can I write that as cos square theta plus 1? I can write it as minus sin square theta. Are you all happy with that? So can I say it will become cos theta plus or minus root will be iota, root of sin square theta will be sin theta. Is that fine? If your theta is acute, let's say. Got it? If your theta is acute, your root of sin square theta will become sin theta. Are you all happy with it? So that is your x. Did you all like it? So what will be x to the power n? X to the power n will be by your de Moivre's theorem. So it is going to be cos of n theta plus or minus iota sin n theta. So that is going to be x power n. What will be x to the power minus n? X to the power minus n will be cos of minus n theta, which will be n theta only, because cos of minus n theta is equal to cos of plus n theta. Then you'll have iota times sine of minus n theta. Sine of minus n theta, the minus will come outside. So plus or minus will become minus or plus sine of n theta. Now I need to add both of them because x power n plus x power minus n. I need to add both of them. So if I add both of them, these two will get cancelled. So I'll be left out with 2 cos of n theta. That is your answer, which is option A. I hope you guys liked it. Very good. Prashant, welcome. Renuka, nice to see you, Renuka. And Amrit is also right. Aerox is absolutely correct. So people, the answer for this question is option A. Those who got A, you are all absolutely right. Brilliant job. Okay. So how much percentile can we get by preparing all the topic that you said? So if you prepare only the topics which I said, you might get around 90 to 92 percentile. 90 to 92 percentile. But if you want something more than that, then you need to aim for 150. Okay. Akula, thank you so much, Akula. That means a lot. Welcome. Hello, Kushi. Nice to see you. So people, with that, let's go to the fourth question. This is the fourth question. Again, a beautiful question which I want everybody to try. Which topics? Shri Krishnan, I made a video yesterday. Please go check it out. I made a video on how to crack JEE Main, even if you start now. Okay. Hi Kushi, welcome. There is a lot of difference between JEE complex number and CBSE complex number. Very true. Calm killer, you are absolutely right. CBSE complex number is here, JEE complex number is here. This gap is bridged by teachers, your content. So that is why you need to take help from good mentors, solve some good books, do a lot of self-study. And that is what makes the whole process fun, right? If it was too easy, then everybody will be in IIT and the value will come down. So only when there is a lot of demand and less of supply, the product value goes up. Okay, that's what is happening in real life. Can you tell the topics to get 98 percentile? Nirmala, I made a video yesterday. Go check it out. Okay. Joseph says option C. Very good. Let's check it. Joseph, you are absolutely right. Mohan Durai. Welcome, Mohan. Nice to see you. Joseph, you are right, Joseph. Kushi is also right. Well done, Kushi. Absolutely correct. So people, how do you solve it? Aerox, Techno Gamers, you're right. Good job. So how do you solve it? First of all, guys, we have z bar plus iota omega bar is equal to 0. Let me take the conjugate of the whole thing. Okay. So if I take the conjugate of the whole thing, what will happen? Z bar, the whole bar will become z. And iota bar will become minus iota. Omega bar, the whole bar will become omega. 0 bar is 0 only. So that will become z is equal to iota omega. And then from here, what can I say? I can say that argument of z plus argument of omega is equal to pi. So here I can say argument of z is equal to argument of I plus argument of omega. So what is argument of omega? Argument of omega is nothing but argument of z minus argument of I. What is argument of I? Argument of I, my dear boys and girls, is nothing but pi by 2. So that's it. Take it here and put it. So you'll get argument of z plus argument of omega is what? Argument of omega is argument of z minus pi by 2. So argument of z minus pi by 2 is equal to pi. So I'll have twice argument of z is equal to 3 pi by 2. So argument of z is equal to 3 pi by 4. That is your answer. Are you all happy with it? Kanishma, you are absolutely right, Kanishma. The answer is option C. Perfect job. Well done. Perfectly said. You guys are awesome. Did you all like it? Shall I move forward? How to get All India Rank 1 in JEE Advanced? Prashad, you have to work very hard. All India Rank 1 is almost like perfection. So it is not a very easy task, but yeah, you can always strive for it. Work hard, solve a lot of questions of various difficulty levels, and make sure your foundation is very, very strong and keep improving. Okay. Wait for a period of time, be consistent, you will see some good changes. Very good. So with that, people, let's move forward to the next one. The last question for you guys. Please try to solve it, guys. Everybody, I want each and every person present here to solve it. Is there any class for chemistry CBSE? Fatima, yes. Tonight, Wasim sir will take it at 8 o'clock. So Wasim sir is our chemistry expert. He'll be guiding you with a very, very cool session on the complete revision of your CBSE Term 1 portion. Okay. Yes, Fatima. Tonight at 8 o'clock. You can check the video. It will be live at 8 o'clock. You can make use of that. Got it? Very good, very good. So guys, for all complex numbers Z1, Z2 satisfying these two equations, then what is the minimum value of modulus of Z1 minus Z2? That is the question which is being asked here. So first of all, guys, what does this represent? Mod Z1 equal to 12. What does that mean? That means the distance of Z1 from the origin is going to be 12. So that is mod Z1 equal to 12. So this is the radius 12, correct now? Now the next one is what? Z2 minus 3 plus 4i is equal to 5. That means distance of Z2 from 3, 4i. Let's say 3 will be here somewhere and 4 will be somewhere here. So 3, 4i will be 5. So this distance is also 5, right? Distance of 3, 4 from the origin is also 5. So this circle passes through the origin. So it will be like this. Correct now? Now they are asking you the minimum distance of Z1 and Z2. So Z2 moves along this circle and Z1 moves along this circle. Z1 will keep moving like this. Z2 will keep moving like this. When will their distance be minimum? Their distance will be minimum over here. When Z1 is here, Z2 is here. This is the minimum distance. Correct now? So what is that minimum distance? That minimum distance is nothing but the radius of the bigger circle. The radius of the bigger circle minus the diameter of the smaller circle. The diameter of the smaller circle. What is the diameter of the smaller circle? The diameter is 2 into 5. So it's going to be 2. So that is your answer. I hope you guys liked it. Was it interesting? Techman, you're right. Amrit, Kanishma, Arox, Techno Gamers, you are absolutely correct. Good job. Did everybody enjoy this question? Can you all give me a thumbs up if you liked it? So people, please practice questions of this kind. I just took 5 questions which I felt were of good difficulty level, which I felt would help you in your preparation. Got it? Gaming with Pulingo. Pulingo is also here. Great. Enjoyed. Nice. That's exactly what I wanted to know. Will there be classes for term 2? Joseph, of course, man. Of course. We will help you. Now that we have done very well in term 1, we want to carry that momentum forward, right? Let's not lose it. Perfect, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. With that, I think we are done with the questions, right? So that's about it, people. I hope you enjoyed these 5 questions. Was it fun? Was it fun? Was it interesting? Great. So now go prepare, do your self-study and prepare hard for your chemistry exam. Do well in that, okay? Make sure you cover all the term 1 portions, named reaction, organic part because that will help you in JEE mains also. Got it? All the best, people. Anushka, yes. The questions were simple and fun, but they teach you some concept. Now, based on that, you try to solve more questions and build on top of it. This is just a fire. I just ignited your mind. Now, you guys have to go and make it a forest fire. Got it? And people, if you're preparing for JEE mains and if you need some additional help, let's say, sir, I want some advice, I want some experts to train me, then you can maybe check out the crash course, because the crash course will help you for JEE mains, VIT, BITSAT and likewise exams. Okay. So this is a very small course for 3 months. It is priced at around 9,000 rupees in Vedantu platform. Okay, it is not like a Zoom class or Google Meet class, because whenever I say online, students immediately think of Zoom class. Guys, Vedantu is an edtech company. We create our own software. Okay, so you have to experience it at least once. So check it out. Maybe if the crash course interests you, you can check it. Okay, thank you, Arox. I'm glad you enjoyed the session. So how do you access it and what do we offer? So guys, your crash course will have totally 3 months of classes, 90 live sessions. You will have full test and part test, because part test means small portion. Full test means full portion. Your All India rank will be provided whenever you take All India mock test, which is taken by thousands of students over the country, so that you know where you stand. You will know, okay, I am doing bad, I have to improve, like that. Got it? And every chapter you will get summary notes of the teacher, so you don't have to write your own notes because you don't have time, right? So some people are pressed for time. So if all this is important for you and if you want to be a topper, last year we produced All India rank 35. All India rank 35 in JEE mains out of 10 lakh students. So if you want your image to be here, then start working. Put a lot of effort. Okay, work on your term 1 portions first, make it strong, and then move forward to your term 2 syllabus as well. Okay, show a sample of your online class. I can actually do that. I'll do that at 4 o'clock session. Okay, so Joseph, today at 4 o'clock I will show you how my classes will look like. I will show you. It will be fun. My classes are always fun because my batch is wonderful. My batch is next level only. If you guys come and see Drishti batch C, you will be totally inspired to get into the Vedantu bandwagon, because our class is very fun and steady. So people, this is the price. I'll show you how to access it if you are interested again. And like I said, guys, self-study also is possible, but these things will give better exposure and quicker results. So in case you are interested, you can check it out once the class is over. Okay, so this is your crash course ka link. You can click on this and you can access it. Okay, so this is the Vedantu Pro subscription and here you have it. It is for 9,000 after discount because you use my coupon code. Got it? Yes. People, Wasim sir will take a class tonight at 8 o'clock. So please make sure you guys check it out. It will be of use to you. Weightage of complex number, you will have one question pakka in JEE mains from complex number. Chemistry revision, it will happen at night, 8 o'clock. Okay, please make sure you guys watch it live. So people, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share it to your friends, and I hope you enjoyed the class. We will meet you again at 4 p.m. Okay, take care guys. All the very best. Love you all. See you again soon. Bye-bye.